How to fix PS4 Error NW-31253-4. Here are some tips that would help you fix PS4 Error NW-31253-4. First off, press the suggested actions button and see what Sony company can help. 1. Restart your PlayStation 4 system and /or your router, if any. 2. Check if your internet service provider is carrying out any maintenance on their network. 3. Ensure the following port numbers are not blocked by your router. TCP, 80, 443, 3478, 3479, 3480 and UDP, 3478, 3479. Hint, Google Router Port Forwarding. 4. If you have been using a specific DNS server, go to Settings Network Setup Internet Connection Custom and change current DNS settings.